is one more new topic in the polynomials. Here, division algorithm. What about division algorithm? Already in the lower classes, we know what is the division rule. In the Euclid's division lemma also, we revised that division rule. Again in polynomials, we are applying same division rule or division algorithm. So what is the use to know in the polynomials? Here what is the division algorithm here? If P of x and G of x are any two polynomials with G of x not equal to 0, that is the condition. Why? P of x is dividend, P of x is dividend, G of x is divisor, G of x is divisor. If divisor is 0, there is no division with 0. We can't do division with 0. That's why the condition is given, G of x is not equal to 0, that is the condition. Then we can find the polynomials Q of x. What about Q of x? That is nothing but quotient and remainder Rx, such that P of x is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. Understood? It is nothing but division rule. It is a dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here why you are taking x means remainder, sometimes you are getting first degree polynomial, sometimes you are getting remainder as 0, or sometimes you are taking constant as a remainder, sometimes you are getting second degree polynomial. So that's why this is the division rule. Dividend, P of x is dividend, G of x is divisor, it is a quotient, it is a remainder. What is the relation among these? P of x is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So G of x should not be 0. Should not be 0. If it is a 0, we can't do any divisions. There is no division with 0. For example, I will show, suppose x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. Here this is a quadratic polynomial. X square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. Here actually this is dividend. It is dividend. It is nothing but P of x. So P of x is given what? X square plus 7x plus 12. This is P of x. It is G of x. G of x is equal to x plus 3. Now we have to find Q of x is equal to how much? R of x how much? How to find now Qx and Rx? By using the long division method. Once I will show the long division method here. X plus 3, x square plus 7x plus 12. Now you observe this division. Already we did it in 9th class and the 8th class also. X into how much is x square? X into how much is x square? X into x is x square. So x into x square. Next x into 3 plus 3x. When we are doing subtraction, the symbols will be changed. So plus x square minus x square cancel. Now this is 7x minus 3x, we are getting plus 4x plus 12. plus 12. Here x plus 3, now 4x, we want 4x. X into, remember carefully, this is very important, x into how much is 4x? X into how much is 4x? It is x into 4 is 4x. So that's why you should take plus 4. Plus 4. Now 4 into x, 4x. 4 3s are 12. Now we are getting remainder 0. Remainder 0. So here you observe, my dear students, this is p of x is a second degree polynomial. It is a second degree polynomial. We are dividing second degree polynomial with first degree polynomial. We are dividing second degree polynomial with first degree polynomial. What about quotient q of x? It is also first degree polynomial. This is very important concept. When we are dividing second degree polynomial with first degree polynomial, if Rx is equal to constant or 0, in this case Qx is also first degree polynomial. This is one logic. Here one more thing, if it is a second degree polynomial, it should be less first degree. Now gx is equal to x plus 3, p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 12, qx is equal to x plus 4 and rx is equal to 0 we got. How to check whether it is correct or not? By using this division algorithm. Here you see verification. Verification, x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to x plus 3 g of x into qx plus rx, that is 0. Now x plus 3, how to multiply here? X into x, x square, x into 4 plus 4x, again with 3, 3x plus 12 plus 0. Ultimately we are getting x square plus 7x plus 12. Exactly, our division is correct. So this is called division algorithm. If p of x, g of x is given, then we can find the qx and rx. Here this is one more question. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. This is some variety. What is that? Generally p of x, it means dividend is given and divisor is given. Generally we are finding quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. It is direct, but here p of x is given. What about p of x? P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is p of x. It is dividend. But here gx is not given. We have to find the gx. Remember this. Divisor you have to find. Again, q of x is given. What is q of x? Q of x is equal to x minus 2. And also r of x, rx also given, that is minus 2x plus 4. Carefully observe this question. Here this is p of x is given and q of x is given, rx is given, but gx we have to find. How to find here? Then we can use this formula. This is division rule. P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus rx. By using this division rule, we can find the gx. By applying this rule, p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. P of x is equal to gx we don't know, g of x into q of x, x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4. I substitute these values. P of x is this one, g of x not given, q of x is given and rx is given. Now how to simplify? To take minus 2x plus 4 this side first. Here this is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. You take minus 2x plus 4 this side. It becomes plus 2x minus 4. Now g of x into x minus 2. Now what about this? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x, that is plus 3x minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So now what about g of x? It is nothing but g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Now you should do long division. X minus 2 x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Now x into how much is x cube? X square. X square, it is x cube. Next x square into minus 2. Minus 2x square by, now you change the symbols, plus becomes minus, it minus becomes plus. Now x cube cancel. Now this is a minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Now I want x into how much is minus x square? It is minus x, that is minus x square. After that minus into minus plus 2x. Now it becomes plus, cancel. This is it is a minus, it is x minus 2. X minus 2 we are getting. Again x into how much is x? That is only one time, plus 1. So this is plus 1. So x minus 2, that is 0. X minus 2, it becomes minus, it becomes plus, they will be cancelled, remainder is 0. Now what about g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So in this some cases P of x is given, Q of x is given, Rx is given. How to find the Gx? This is one more model.